Hey everyone, welcome to Bilim adamı. Today we're comparing the iPhone 16 Pro Max with the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Let's dive right into it. The iPhone 16 Pro Max brings some exciting upgrades. First, it has a new more powerful A18 Bionic chip, making it faster and smoother than the iPhone 15 Pro Max. If you're into mobile gaming or multitasking, this is a big win. Plus, the iPhone 16 Pro Max has an upgraded camera system. Now, with even better low-light performance and improved zoom, your photos and videos will look sharper and more detailed. Another key change? The battery life. Apple claims the iPhone 16 Pro Max lasts longer, which means less time charging and more time enjoying your device. And for design lovers, the new model comes with a slightly slimmer and more durable titanium frame, giving it a premium look and feel. In short, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is a solid upgrade if you're looking for top-tier performance, camera quality, and battery life over the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the videos, share with your friends, and let me know your thoughts in the comments.